Running and managing containers on development or staging servers is not require so much attention. But when it comes to productions, application deployment, maintenance, and monitoring is a big challenge. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll discuss about the container orchestration and what is the importance of using it. We'll see why the Kubernetes is so popular and what are the benefits we'll get using the Kubernetes services. So let's start. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration system for automating application deployment, scaling, and management. It was originally designed by Google and is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, that is CNCF. Why we need Kubernetes? Containers are always good way to bundle and run our applications. But in a production environment, we need to manage the containers that run applications and ensures that there is no downtime. For example, if a container goes down, another container needs to start at the same time. That's how Kubernetes comes to the rescue. Kubernetes provides us with a framework to run distributed systems resiliently. It takes care of scaling and failover of our application, provides deployment patterns, and many more. If a master goes down, it automatically will take care and it will automatically fail over to the master 2, but in the same cluster. So Kubernetes can easily manage a canary deployment for our system. So we'll see what Kubernetes provides. Service discovery and load balancing. Kubernetes can expose a container using the DNS name or using their own IP addresses. If traffic to a container is high, Kubernetes is able to load balance and distribute the traffic so that the deployment is stable. Second, the storage orchestration. Kubernetes allows us to automatically mount a storage system for our choice, such as local storage, public cloud providers, and many more. Automatic bin packing. We provide Kubernetes with a cluster of nodes that it can use to run containerized tasks. We'll tell Kubernetes how much CPU and memory, that is RAM, each container needs. Kubernetes can fit containers onto our nodes to make the best use of our resources. If you see the image in the right hand side, you can see here you can specify the memory, the CPU, and number of ports being used, and requested memory and the memory limits. All these things you can set while creating the pods. Automated rollouts and rollbacks. We can describe the desired state of our deployed containers using Kubernetes, and it can change the actual state to the desired state at a controlled rate. For example, we can automate the Kubernetes to create new containers for our deployment, remove existing containers, and adapt all their resources to the new container. If there is a new versions you are going to deploy, what Kubernetes will do, Kubernetes will first deploy the newer version and destroy the previous version, like that, so that there will be no downtime to our applications. Self-healing. Kubernetes restarts containers that fail, replace containers, kills containers that does not respond to our defined health check. It does not advertise them to the client until they are ready to serve. If there is some issues or something happens to your container and your application goes down and your container not responding properly, Kubernetes has capable to kill your container and replace that container with another one, so that your application will be always time. And until the container is not ready, it will not display the informations to the client. Secret and configuration management. Kubernetes lets us store and manage sensitive information such as passwords, authentication tokens, and SSH keys. We can deploy and update secrets and application configuration without rebuilding our container images and without exposing secrets to our stack configuration. So these are the we'll get using the Kubernetes. So what are the importance of container orchestration? Container orchestration can be used to perform lots of tasks. So few of them are like provisioning and deployment of containers, scaling up or removing containers to spread application load evenly, movement of containers from one host to another if there is a shortage of resources, load balancing and service discovery between containers, health monitoring of containers and clusters. Container orchestration solution. In the market, there are many container orchestration solutions available. Some of the popular ones are, we can see Kubernetes, which one we are just learning. Then comes Docker Swarm. Then comes Apache Meshes, and then AWS EKS. These four are the popular ones in the market. There are many other solutions, orchestration solutions provided. So that's all, guys. Hope you understood clearly what is Kubernetes and what are the benefits of using orchestration platform, and what are the services being provided by the Kubernetes, and what are the other orchestration solutions provided in the market. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel so that you'll get updated notification on my new videos on Docker and Kubernetes. Thank you.